Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 8i, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now obviously for this you will need one of these SIM ejector. This comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, and you can also use a paper clip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well as this if you can find it. So anyway, once you have one of some kind of SIM ejector, you want to take off the case if you have any. We go. And the tray is located on the upper left side of the device, so right over here, as you can see where the pin is holding right now. Push the pin in and the tray pops out, and on the tray you have a space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So you can place the SIM card on whichever slot you want, and SD card, as you can see, only has 1 place. There we go. So once you place them on the tray, carefully insert them back into the device. There is nothing holding those cards in place, so they could pop out when you're inserting them. And once they're in, as you can see, they automatically will function. This is the pin for my SIM card that I just inserted, so I'll confirm that. There we go. So SIM card obviously is working, and let's see if we have some kind of pop-up about the SD. Where's settings? There we go, settings, and storage. There we go, and there is the SD card. So anyway, that is how you would insert SIM and SD into this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.